Hey guys, it's James from Zeitgeist, and we want to run you through a couple of tutorials of how to use the Zeitgeist application, how to make predictions, and we'll delve in deeper as we go. We're going to go step by step, starting with the very basic one, how to get yourself a Polkadot based wallet or a Substrate based wallet. Of course, Substrate is the underlying infrastructure that the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems are built on. And so you need to get yourself a Substrate based wallet to interact with the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystem. And so we're going to take you through how to set yourself up with a wallet that will be able to interact with the Zeitgeist application. So all we got to do is head on over to app.zeitgeist.pm like I have done here, and you're going to hit connect a wallet. So I'm using Google Chrome, connect a wallet, and it'll give you three options. Currently we're offering three options which you can add to Google Chrome or Firefox or Chromium based browser like Brave as well. Polkadot.js, which is the original provider. SubWallet have built great infrastructure, and so have Talisman. For this specific tutorial, we're going to use SubWallet. So we just hit the download button. You can see up here on the right hand side, top right, I already have Polkadot.js and I have Talisman. So we're going to add SubWallet. So we add it to Chrome. You can see it is verified over there. So make sure it's the right window that it's been directed to, and it's been successfully added. Now, we're going to hit this little puzzle icon, which is your extensions in Google Chrome. We're going to hit the pin icon next to SubWallet. So it's right up there. And there it is, SubWallet. So we're going to open it up. Now, we need to get started. So we get started. We're going to say create new account. We can either interact with the Ethereum virtual machine or continue interacting with the Substrate ecosystem. So that's where we want to go. For this tutorial, let's keep it to the Substrate based ecosystem, right? Now, this mnemonic seed is very important. This is your private key, which you need to save, preferably offline, locally on your machine, or in a password manager. You can see up here, I've got Dashlane over there, which I use. I'm going to save it though to a text document on my Mac. So I'm going to copy this 12-word mnemonic seed. That's my private key to access my account from anywhere in the world if I need to. So I actually have my text editor open already, and I paste it there. You'll see I've already created a password, so we can paste that later if I need to. So that'll be things like alphanumeric characters, Unicode characters, things like that, which can be uppercase, lowercase, numbers, etc. All the more the better in providing security. So that is there if I need it. And I've copied that to clipboard. I'm going to click I've saved my mnemonic seed safely. Auto connect to all dApps after creating. Cool. So we hit next step. Now, remember that password I created? I'm going to go back to my text editor, copy it, come back to SubWallet, which does close after you've moved away from Google Chrome. So you've got to redo this action here, which is select your Substrate based account. I have saved it. We know we have. We're going to create a password for this account for later on. So you need to make sure you keep that passwords safe and around. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to interact with various Substrate based applications, right? Whether it's the Zeitgeist application or other applications in the greater Polkadot ecosystem, because it's going to ask you for your password when you are performing transactions on those blockchain networks. Okay, so here we go. We're just going to connect to the Polkadot relay chain and the Kusama relay chain. We're happy with that for now. We don't want any of the test networks. And then we are going to look through all of the various parachains in the Kusama and Polkadot ecosystem, and you'll see there is Zeitgeist. You could search for it up here as well, but we're going to select Zeitgeist as well. And obviously, if you're interacting with the likes of SubSocial, some other ones like Akala, Karura, Kilt, Bifrost, Moon River, all of those, Parler, you will select those, and you can always change this later. Right, so for now we've selected the three, Zeitgeist being our primary. We hit confirm. Settings saved, there we go. Now we have our addresses over here, and we can navigate away from this, come back to Zeitgeist, and we're going to refresh the page. Okay, So we refresh the page. We let it do its thing. It needs to interact with our wallet and pull data from the chain. So there we go. We can choose which one. We've got Polkadot, so it's not asking us to download. It recognizes we already have them downloaded. We're going to hit SubWallet. And there we go. Remember, we selected Zeitgeist. Choose which account you'd like to connect. We only have one account. And there it is. We hit connect. And there we go. Our wallet is now connected to the Zeitgeist application. So that's the first step. You'll see here that I haven't made any trades yet. So you can see I get a little profile picture next to my account. And that profile picture can actually be an NFT. That's right. We are a true Web3 application that allows users to create NFT-based profile pictures, and then they can add little pieces of jewelry, which are called equipable NFTs to that profile picture, which are separate NFTs. You do that by interacting with the Zeitgeist application, by performing trades, by interacting with prediction markets, participating in prediction markets, deploying prediction markets, etc., which you can all find on our blog. If you hit our website, open that in a new tab, and then you'll get down to our blog, which is there. And on that first page announcing the Zeitgeist launch NFTs, you can run through all the details of how to. That would be your profile picture once you mint one. Costs 200 ZTG right now as of the 20th of September. Once you have minted one, you can then adorn it with all these very cool little badges or equipable NFTs, which are separate NFTs. I'm going to show you how to do that in a separate tutorial. So there you go. That's my little account for this specific tutorial. As you can see, it's a sort of egghead profile image. It doesn't have the blue NFT image, which we need to get by having 200 ZTG in our wallet. We're going to do that in the next tutorial. But that's the first step. Create yourself a Polkadot-based, substrate-based wallet, which you can now interact with the Zeitgeist app. We've done that. We're using SubWallet. You could also use the polkadot.js.org or the Talisman extension as well. All very, very good. Remember to save those 12-word seed phrases on your computer safely, password protected preferably, and of course that password is going to be required when you make transactions on chain. Okay, so that's it. First step done. The next video will help you to make predictions on the application.